Today we've got our hands on the GoPro Max 2, the first real successor to the Max. We're talking about a brand new center lens, a bigger, tougher frame, and some major performance upgrades you have to see. So strap in, hit that like button, and let's jump right in. What's new with Max 2? In short, it now includes a center lens like the Hero, giving you deep zoomable 4:3 flat video. The body is noticeably larger and more rugged. Internal improvements boost battery life, stabilization, and low-light performance. Let's break down each of these upgrades one by one. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Show side-by-side shots of original Max versus Max 2. First up, design. The Max 2 is about 10% larger overall, and the hand grip area is bigger, making for better one-handed use. Build quality is improved, IPX8 waterproofing up to 33 feet, plus a tougher aluminum frame around the lens area, less chance of lens damage if dropped. They also improved the user interface. Check out this bigger front display, plus buttons are easier to press with gloves. On-screen demo, switching from 360 mode to center lens POV. The center lens is a game changer. Now you get Hero-style 4:3 flat video in 5.3K, all shot from this dedicated lens. That means deep zoom, horizon level, and better low light than stitching two fisheyes. You can still shoot 360, but if that's not your focus, this gives you mainstream Hero-like footage. Visual comparisons, low light test in dusk. We ran some low light tests here at sunset. The Max 2's center lens shows a noticeably cleaner image with less noise and wider dynamic range. The Max's 360 still shines, but if you care about low light, that new sensor really makes a difference. Clip, walking/running POV shot. Where GoPro cameras always excel is stabilization, and the Max 2 doesn't disappoint. The Hypersmooth 5.0 really keeps things rock stable. I strapped it to my motorbike helmet, jogging, even in traffic, and all footage is silky smooth with almost zero jogging bounce. Overlay B-roll, battery percentage usage. Max 2 also brings battery improvements. GoPro hasn't changed the 1720 mAh battery size, but optimization under the hood, including a bigger body that helps heat dissipation, means about 30 to 40% longer runtime in 360 and center modes. Test, talking toward all three mics, 2 sides, 1 center. Audio is much better too. With 3 mics, left, right, and a new forward-facing mic near the center lens, the Max 2 delivers crisper, more directional audio, reducing ambient drone noise and wind effects. On-screen interaction. Menu swipe, mode select. The Max 2 borrows interface enhancements from the Hero 12 with more responsive UI, new menu layout, instant switching between modes, and the larger screen makes navigation a breeze, even with gloves. Fast-paced montage of 360 and center lens shots, surf, biking, cityscapes. No voiceover, just dynamic music to show off footage. Sample of panoramic still images, Max Auto, Max HDR. Don't forget stills. The onboard Max Frame mode gives you